Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be on the least common multiple and the highest common factor. So let's get straight into it. So the least common multiple, I'm going to split this up into a definition, a prime, and an example. So same goes for the highest common factor. We're going to go through what it is, a prime example, and another example too. So starting off with the LCM. So you might be asking, what is the least common multiple? The least common multiple is the smallest number that will divide by all the numbers in question. So that might sound a bit confusing, but we can lay out some steps. So in general, you list the multiples of both numbers, you find the smallest match, and there you go. There is obviously a special step. If you know the prime factors, you can list all of the prime factors, and if a factor appears more than once, list it that many times, and then finally multiply them all. So we're going to put this into practice. So starting with the normal steps, here they are here, list the multiples, find the smallest match. We're going to be trying to find the least common multiple of 20 and 30. So, as the steps say, list multiples of both numbers. So all of the multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and so on. I like to start with about 5, but you might find that you need to keep going even further. If we now do 30, it's 30, 60, 90, 120. Now, as you can see, the 60 is highlighted in blue because that is the lowest common multiple of 20 and 30. So, as you can see, lowest common multiple is 60. Let's move on to the prime example now. So similar to before, we're going to list all prime factors. So we're going to do the least common multiple of 20 and 30. The prime factors of 20 are 2, 2, and 5. And the prime factors of 30 are 2, 3, and 5. If you're a bit confused about how we got these prime factors, please check out my previous video. So moving on, let's go to step 2. If a factor appears more than once, list it that many times. So I like to write out every single prime factor from lowest to highest. So down here we have 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5. And as you can see, the 2's cancel out. You just get 1, 2. This 2 has nothing to cancel, so again you just have a 2. This 3 has nothing to cancel, so you get 1, 3. And this 5 cancels with this 5, and you get a 5. If you then multiply all of them, 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, you will get 60, leaving you with the least common multiple of 60. Moving on now to the highest common factor. That is the largest number that divides into all the numbers in question. So similar to before, the steps for this are listing the factors of both numbers, finding the largest factor that appears in both lists, and there you go. There is also another special step, I bet you're glad to know. If you know the prime factors, you can list all prime factors. If a factor appears in both numbers, use it the fewest number of times it appears, and then, similar to before, multiply. So we'll start off with a normal one. Find the highest common factor of 36 and 48. So step 1, list the factors of each number. So the factors are 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Similar to before, if you're confused about how we got these numbers, please follow a previous video. Factors of 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. And as you can see, the largest match there is 12. Find the largest common factor. Common factor is 12. Moving on to the final step of this video is the prime steps. So, as shown in the steps here, to find the highest common factor of 36 and 48, list all of the prime factors. There they are there. There's a prime factors of 36, 2, 2, 3, and 3. And then we have 2, 2, 2, 2, and 3 for 48. If you're unsure about these ones, I would recommend looking at my factor tree video. Identify the common prime factors. The common prime factors are 2, 2, and 3. Multiply the common factors together, and that will give you similar answers to before, 12. If you need a bit more practice on these videos, because I know it's a bit more of a recap than anything, I do recommend checking out the question and answer videos, as applying the methods kind of give you a more sense and understanding of how to do it. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.